In Maricopa, Arizona, homeowners take pride in creating welcoming, stylish properties that reflect both personal taste and community spirit. While landscaping and exterior paint often get attention, one of the simplest yet most powerful upgrades you can make is a front door replacement. The front door is not just an entry point, it's a focal feature that sets the tone for your entire home. By updating your front door, you can dramatically boost curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, and enhance security, all while adding value to your home. Why the front door matters when visitors or potential buyers approach your home. The front door is one of the first details they notice. An outdated, faded, or worn door can diminish the overall look of your property, even if the rest of the home is beautifully maintained. On the other hand, a fresh, modern, and well-installed front door instantly conveys style, care, and attention to detail. For Maricopa residents, where desert weather can be harsh on exterior finishes, replacing the front door ensures your home makes a strong first impression while standing up to the elements. Style options for every Maricopa home front door replacement gives you an opportunity to match your entryway with your home's design while expressing your unique style. Popular choices include classic wood doors, timeless and elegant, perfect for traditional or Southwestern-inspired homes. Fiberglass doors, durable, low maintenance, and customizable to mimic wood while resisting Maricopa's dry climate. Steel doors, strong, secure, and sleek, ideal for homeowners prioritizing security with a modern look. Glass-paneled doors, stylish and inviting, with options for decorative or frosted glass that add natural light while maintaining privacy. Whether your neighborhood features Adobe-style homes, modern builds, or cozy ranch-style designs, there's a replacement door that can enhance and harmonize with your home's aesthetic. How a new front door boosts curb appeal. Fresh appearance. A replacement front door with a bold color or stylish design acts as a focal point. Whether you choose a striking red, a classic black, or a warm wood tone, your new door can transform the entire look of your home's exterior. Complementary hardware. Upgraded handles, knockers, and locks add polish and detail. Coordinating hardware with your home's accents, such as lighting fixtures or house numbers, ties the look together. Enhanced lighting. Doors with side lights or transom windows brighten your entryway, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere that elevates curb appeal both day and night. Cohesion with landscaping. A new front door complements landscaping upgrades by anchoring the home's design. Paired with clean walkways and greenery, the right door replacement makes your property truly stand out. Additional benefits beyond curb appeal. Front door replacement isn't just about appearances. It delivers practical advantages too. Improved energy efficiency. Modern doors are insulated to prevent heat loss in winter and keep cool air inside during Maricopa's scorching summers, lowering energy bills. Better security. Newer doors feature reinforced frames, advanced locks, and durable materials that keep your family safe. Low maintenance. Fiberglass and steel doors resist warping, cracking, and fading, requiring less upkeep in the desert climate. Increased home value. An updated front entry adds resale value, making your home more appealing to future buyers. Why professional installation matters. Even the most beautiful door won't provide its full benefits without proper installation. A professional ensures precise measurements for a perfect fit, airtight sealing to block drafts and dust, secure placement for long-term durability and protection, compliance with manufacturer warranties. For Maricopa homeowners, professional installation ensures your new front door not only looks stunning but also performs well against heat, dust, and daily use. Final thoughts. Your front door is more than just an entrance. It's the centerpiece of your home's curb appeal. For Maricopa residents, replacing an old or weathered door with a modern, stylish option can completely refresh the look of your home while offering practical benefits like energy savings, security, and durability. Whether you're updating your property for your own enjoyment or preparing to sell, a front door replacement is a simple, cost-effective upgrade with lasting impact. With the right choice and professional installation, you can welcome guests and boost your neighborhood presence with confidence and style.